Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have an HTML file open and a visible body. Once ready, insert a button type equals button ID equals my BTN label so the element exists in the DOM. You do this now to avoid later selection issues. Give the button a meaningful ID or class for CSS and JavaScript. Make sure the label describes the action for accessibility. After adding the tag, save your file and open it in a browser to verify the element renders before moving on. You now style and connect behavior so the button is usable. First, add a small CSS rule or class to set padding, colors, and cursor. This makes the control discoverable and tappable. Once done, write a JavaScript listener such as document. Get element by ID, mybtn. Add event listener, click, equals / action */ to react to clicks. Make sure to place the script after the button or use DOM content loaded so selection succeeds. Also add area attributes for access. You finish by testing interaction across devices and inputs. Click the button, press enter or space when focused, and tap on mobile. Verify the expected action occurs. If nothing happens, open the browser console to spot errors and confirm the ID/class in your script matches the element. Also make sure your script runs after the DOM is ready or wrap it in DOM content loaded. If a style or state seems off, inspect computed styles and ensure no conflicting CSS or duplicate IDs exist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.